All right, so I am at the Narok New Referral Hospital block. The contract was for 558 million. There was also another contract for 288 million for KMTC, but this one was for 558 million. Now the problem here is when I read the Auditor General's report for the county executive of Narok, because this was a county government project. Hii hospitali ilikuwa inajengwa na county government na ilikuwa inajengwa at a cost of 558,795,655 shillings. Lakini there is something here. Of political violence and intolerance is in our country. I had announced publicly that I'll be coming to Narok for a cleanup, but before that cleanup, I intended to do what I usually do, which is inspect government projects where maybe money was allocated and no development has been done. I began with the Narok County Referral Hospital, which was allocated about 500 million. Then somewhere along the way, before they finished the contract, they allocated another 500 million, which now went from where we don't understand. So after visiting that hospital, I toured the hospital. It's no longer in use. It has stalled. Medical equipment is not there. I went to Uhuru Market, which was launched by His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, and now has been launched again by the governor. The area around there has a foul smell and it has a lot of garbage. So I was thinking to convince the locals to join me tomorrow so that we do some cleanup. When I left there, I intended to go to the road, Masai Mara University. I have a lot of projects that I need to tour. One of them is the Suso water projects. Another one is the Patikalitat water project in Kilgoris. Another one is Majimoto Sekenani Road. And there are so many other projects that we need to see where Kenyan taxpayers' money went. But unfortunately, in this particular incident, we were not able to finish to do our work because we were attacked. We were attacked by individuals who were sent to attack us. One of my vehicles is damaged, but our security did a good job. We want to tell the people of Narok that we are peaceful, loving. We have not come to cause any chaos. We've just come to share Mashujaa Day with them and to celebrate our heroes. And we hope that they'll stand with us and walk with us in this journey of accountability. And also this is to communicate to the political leaders and the governor, whoever may have mobilized those people to come and attack us, that we don't wish anything bad. We are not here to decampaign them or make them look bad or make them look like they are not working. We are just here to do our normal work, and that is what we will do. Sawa. Asante.
Nam, welcome again, guys. Welcome again to Kisi Hot. Today, Morara Kebaso, he has been chased away from Narok County, where he was doing his work of injecting the county government of Narok and the national government. Since Morara Kebaso was attacked by goons at Bomas of Kenya during the public participation, Morara Kebaso, he has not come out clearly to do his work of injecting the national government. We have seen him injecting county governments or county government. In Narok County, where he was doing his work, I remember I saw a video of him injecting the Narok Referral Hospital. This one might be dangerous to him because injecting county governments, it might be more dangerous. Why? Because most of the people who work on those projects of the county governments, they come from those villages, from those areas, and those MCAs, they stay there. So the moment you go there to inject county government project, maybe you might find those who were given those contracts to do those work on the ground. They might organize goons to attack you. I think Morara Kebaso, he should go back to his original content. The original content was injecting the national government. Let him go and inject the national government. If you want to inject the county government, then be careful, because I have seen many people who inject county governments. They end up being killed. I think you have seen stories, you have heard stories, and we want you to continue injecting any government. As Gen Z, they say that you are the incoming president. They want to see you. So stay away from county governments. They are more dangerous than national government, because um, when you are injecting the national government, the members of parliament, they are the representatives of the national governments, and most of the time you cannot find them on the ground, you see. And if someone tries to call them, they don't pick phone calls easily. So you see, but I'm an MCA, and most of the projects are given to those people who come from around there. So the moment they hear you want to unmask them, I think they might organize on how to eliminate you. And you are my brother. Pro, wachana tu na hizi za county governments.
This is designing. Aya. Si munaona? Soma na mimi. The Narok County Teaching and Referral Hospital. Oh, L imeenda. Turudishe L. So when we return the L, it becomes hospital. All right, so I am at the Narok New Referral Hospital block. The contract was for 558 million. There was also another contract for 288 million for KMTC, but this one was for 558 million. Now the problem here is when I read the Auditor General's report for the County Executive of Narok, because this was a county government project. Hii hospitali ilikuwa inajengwa na county government, na ilikuwa inajengwa at a cost of 558,795,655 shillings. Lakini there is something here. Towards the end of the contract ya hii hospitali, management ya county government, they entered into another contract ya kujenga bado hii for 469 million. So that's another 500 million. So tayari kulikuwa na pesa imetengwa ya 558 million. Lakini wakakuja tena wakafanya contract ingine ya pili, duplicate contract. Hiyo contract wakaiba 469,614,655. So they were allocating money to the same project and signing a contract for the same project that already had been paid 558 million. So there could have been a loss of about 500 million. The new contract was for mechanical and electrical works. It was for 588,535,000 that cannot be confirmed. So the Auditor General in the report ended year 30th June 2022 says 588,535,000 haipatikani. 500 and how much? 88 million. So come, let's see the hospital and see whether Kenyans are already using the hospital, kwa sababu sasa inaonekana tayari hii ni kipindi. Na hii ni sinema. Watu wa Narok. Mambo bado. Contract inawekwa ya hospitali. Tayari imealloketiwa pesa 558 million. Mnakuja tena mna sign contract ya pili in 2022. Ya 588 million. This must have been the government of former governor Ole Tunai, because this must have happened way before elections. Hospitali ndio hii. As you can see, it's not in use. It is an abandoned block. More than 1 billion shillings gone. Yoi. Sijui hapa tapita wapi. Cameraman, ruka tu. Hospitali yetu ndio hii. You see the hospital? 558 million mara ya kwanza. It was enough to complete the project. They come and sign another contract again. Yes. So 588 million gone. 588 million extra. No? Ni kama ulipie kitu alafu ukuje uilipie mara mbili. Sasa juu wa Kenya walilipia mara mbili, simungeifungua basi itumike. I'm being told by the locals of this area that this hospital, actually there is even equipment that had been put inside, but the equipment was removed. So there is not any equipment right now as we speak. Bas, oh, tumefika hospitali yenyewe. And it's a big hospital. See ni size ya KNH. Okay, KNH is bigger, but Moi Referral Hospital, this is a big hospital. Very big. Kuleni kidogo bwana. Ai, wanakula sana. Wanakula sana. It's too much bwana. Washatoa hata majina ya mwenye ali launch. Outpatient, imaging, accident, entrance ndio hii. Maajabu. Maajabu. Oi. Jina walishatoa. Ningewaeleza lakini jina walitoa kitambo. Hakuna. Hii imeenda. Hii imeenda hii. Hii imeenda. Ama jina iko hapo. Daktari. 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 Bas. 500 million was allocated for this project. 500 million was spent. Another contract was signed the second time for another 500 and something million. So more than a billion gone. Hospital not